Hello friends, welcome to another video, and in this video we'll be looking at this amazing puzzle. Uh, in this puzzle what you have to do is it's white turns to play and he has to checkmate the black king in two moves. So can you find those two moves? I'll give you a couple of seconds. Pause the video and go find it. I hope you found it. So let's straight away see the solution here. First of all, what we have to do is play this amazing move, which is Rook G1. Yes, don't be very much surprised because this is winning here. No matter whatever black plays, he's getting checkmated in one move from here. Let's see the most obvious move. If a black pawn takes this rook, okay. So if black pawn promotes to queen, then queen h5 is checkmate. The king has nowhere to go, right? Okay, let's see another variation. If black pawn promotes queen at h1, then simple rook captures queen, and this is again checkmate. There is no square left for the king, and the black pieces cannot block this checkmate, right? Let's see another variation. If black tries to play any arbitrary move and not involving this black square pawn, say first of all black cannot play this h6 g6 move as this pawn is pinned. So if black tries to move this king like king h6, then a simple move, uh, this queen to g6 is checkmate. King again has no square left. Okay. If black tries to move his rook, so if say black attacks the white rook, white queen, rook f8, and now queen will capture this pawn, and this is again checkmate. One more thing to note here, that if you don't play rook g1, white is still getting checkmated in three moves. Let's say white plays rook g5. Here black promotes the queen, black has promoted to the queen. Now rook h5 check, queen takes forced, now queen takes queen, and this is again checkmate. But it will take one more move. And I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, then like this video, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this. Thank you, stay safe and stay healthy.